What's going on, guys? We're back with another video. It's been a while since I brought y'all a regular, like, little talking video or whatnot. So I hope y'all subscribe to the channel and y'all had a good Thanksgiving or whatnot. And if y'all use my affiliate links and codes, I surely appreciate it. That helps a lot with the channel. Because I don't really make much money here on YouTube. I don't even know when the last time I got a YouTube payment. Because I don't know. I don't know. I guess you got to make a certain amount before they deposit or whatnot. They let you know I don't really make much off of YouTube. So all those affiliate links and codes, I appreciate y'all for using them and supporting the channel or whatnot over this holiday. Of course, we got a lot of sales going on, of course. I got custom speaker pods. You can get 25% off on that if you use the code BASSWITHKEV when you go over there. And you get the 25% off instead of a different, you can get more of a discount, let's say that. All the other companies, of course, you use BASSWITHKEV. Of course, if y'all go to Cardio Connect, it's even better because every discount code that I have will be listed right there on the site. Or if you go to Cardio Plug, you'll be able to see it right there as well. So any of those, let me see if I can put this down. Y'all hold tight with me. Yeah, any of those sites are really, give you a discount, except one. So, like I say, y'all bear with me right here. I'm all over the place with this, trying to get it situated. All right, let's get this up. All right, there we go. There we go. Now we in business. Now we in business. But the deal is, yeah, y'all use all those codes over the weekend and last week or whatnot, and I really appreciate that. So if y'all could keep it going, let's keep it going. But if y'all are rebuilding, I want to know down in the comments what you got going, because I don't see a lot of rebuilding going on at this moment. I see a lot of people keeping it the same, Now I do see a lot of people like they're doing a lot of planning, a lot more now. I don't know what they've been doing, but people are buying the equipment and just setting it up and getting everything together instead of just going all in and with it. You may buy some subs now and amp later, whatever you can afford. It's definitely the way you want to go with the economy like it is. Hopefully it'll pick up eventually. So, you might want to, like I said, budget, of course. I got every site I get on my website. You'll be able to see it's a link that says car audio companies that offer financing, and you better click right there if you want to finance. You can do 90 days, same as cash. Of course, they may charge you like a $35 deposit, not a deposit, but like a $35 upfront fee or whatever it is. I don't know. But it's 90 days, same as cash, or 100 days, same as cash. If you could afford to just buy it straight out, do that. But if not, that may be an option for you as well. So you definitely want to look into that if you want to continue on, and you don't want to, even if you may have the money, you want to stretch it out instead of spending out. It may be $2,000. You may have it. You may want to put it on a credit card, whatever you want to do. But you can go on there and put and you can go on there and use the financing option instead. So like I say, not 90 days or 100 days, same as cash. What you do, you go on there, you can set it up where they automatically draft it out to pay it out in 90 days or 100 days, or you can go in there and pay it off in a week or two, or however fast you want to do it. That's what I advise you to do. I'm not a financial advisor at all, so that's what I would do. I'm gonna pay 90 days, 100 days, same as cash, regardless. That's what I'm gonna do. Because if you draw it out, it gets kind of expensive once you draw that out. And the finance fee, man, you'll pay 2-3 times the value of the product. So you definitely don't want to do that. So like I say, 90 days and 100 days, same as cash. I can keep on repeating so you remember. And I'm gonna leave a link in the bottom to my site down there, cardioconnect.com or cardio plug. I'm gonna put it on the screen. That way you'll be able to go to it and Like I said, look at the top of the page, and you can call that audio company offer finance. Most of them, even some that I don't have on the website, offer financing in some way. Some even offer layaway. But I don't think a lot of them do that. But of course, if y'all do shop, make sure you use code BASSWITHKEV. Even if you do layaway, if you have to call it in, make sure let them know BASSWITHKEV sent you to do it. You know, and maybe I'll get a little kickback from the sending you like a referral link or whatnot. So anyway, that's out the way. I've been talking about I was gonna make a video telling y'all about how to do it. So I guess that's what this is. Of course, I mean, you know, I guess that's what it is. But it ain't really. I don't know any more details to go into. But what I will do, I'm gonna try to insert something in here showing y'all how you can go on there and actually where to go to and hit the finance. But like I said, I got that link directly on the website. You'll better click and it'll go straight to the page where you need to go. So, you know, really ain't much to talk about on that, but yeah, I guess that's the end of the video. But anyway, y'all be sure to like, subscribe, share the video. I appreciate y'all for using the codes and affiliate links. It does help out the channel a lot. Like I said, I want to rebuild this thing and the other one. I really don't know what I'm gonna do, but I know I want to rebuild that black one because, like I said, I put that enclosure in there and it's really put together kind of sloppily, but it works. But I want to redo it. So, but I got a lot of other things I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get a truck and stuff like this. So that'll be a better thing to do, the way I can get it there. So, like I said, y'all like, subscribe, share the videos. I'll see y'all back on the next one.